Hey guys, it's Richard. Wanted to show you a crude oil trade today that I took before the FOMC announcement. This happened after the crude oil inventory report, which was at 10:30. What you'll see here is I've got the chart already marked up. The reason why I have it this way is that today I got to seeing something that for the first time, and I'm going to see if it holds true for tomorrow. But I was going back and forth between the different settings on the indicator. And with crude oil, I normally trade it with a setting of 9 or a 3. All right. And I've detailed what these areas are. So if you look, and let's just take price action to this point right here. Okay. Like this hasn't happened yet. Okay. Uh, this area up here on a 9 was a breaker block on this 5-minute chart. On a 27, there was a fair value gap. Now it looks like it went a little bit over it, but you know the way that ICT teaches this is that your stop would either be just above this bar or this bar. So I was watching this, and I can't remember what it was on a 3 setting of 3, but there's going to be some confluence there as well. And I got, man, gosh, I wonder if we could see, as long as I kept the price chart on the same time frame, but yet looked at the different power of 3 settings of the Goldbach levels, maybe there would be some confluence there. So when I saw this, I said, okay, well, I'm going to wait and see until after the 10:30, which is this candle right here, this up candle, the 10:30 crude oil report. And then, of course, we came down and then we spiked back up. And I'd already put these on my chart. Said, okay, on the 3 power of 3 setting, this was the breaker block area. And on the power of 9, this was the mitigation block area. And I was like, okay, well, we had a sweep, internal high, went into this area, into another PD array on the higher time setting, and then formed a mitigation block. This is done here. You're like, this isn't a breaker block, what you just did there. It is on a smaller time frame. Okay, so I went down to a 1 minute. Then I'm looking at what these two areas had in common. It was right here, 76.92. Okay, now I'm going to show you. This was my entry, 76.92. It was a limit order sitting there. I took 1 tick of heat. Now I was prepared to take more, but I just wanted to see what it would do. I had my take profit all the way down here, and that just due to the fact of another Goldbach level on a higher setting, and also what I'm learning from the Hoppy ebook and what the actual pathway is of the algorithm. Okay, so I can share this kind of information with you of how I'm picking my entries and stuff, but that algorithm path was the paid content, and I don't want to disclose that. And plus, I'm not 100% sure that I could teach it anyway at this point. So that's another reason why I'm not. But anyway, so I just wanted to show you that this was the trade. I had two accounts I was trading this on. One was a Top Step evaluation account, and one was a take profit evaluation account. And I made $1,900 by the end of the day on crude oil on both of these. Okay, because I ended up taking some profit, then re-entering. As you can see, I was trying to re-enter here, and I just had to take it off. But I ended up re-entering somewhere else. As you can see on this chart here, I think I entered somewhere back up in here, and wrote this down. But anyway, so if you're using Goldbach and you're like, I don't know which one of these settings to use, take a look and you want to see where price is respecting. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put on, it's on the 81 right now. Let me put it to A3. Give me just a second to catch up. All right. And the reason why I was looking at the 3 is because where was price actually respecting? If you look here, it respected this fair value gap area. It respected it to the tick right here. Okay. There was a couple other places that it respected almost to the tick. And I'm like, you know what? That's the one I'm going to watch today. Because I say that some days the nines seems to be on, like where it's following. Other days it's the three. I haven't seen crude oil be higher than that, but I guess it could be. But anyway, so when you're picking your market, you want to, and look on Forex, I don't know if you guys are trading Forex, it's going to be a higher setting, okay? Think of it this way. If a normal move on a time frame you're trading is a 200 pip move, you want to pick a setting that's close to that, okay? And then see if it's respecting that. All right. So that gives you a little bit of a hint of how to set it. But if you're going to be trading crude oil, I'm having a lot of success on the 9 and the 3 setting. Okay. So anyway, I hope this helps. I will be continuing to monitor this. I did not trade ES or NQ today just due to the fact it was FOMC. And I spent so much time on crude oil today, and I was really watching the way it was going to play out. So I didn't trade anything there, but I'm very happy with the outcome of today. And it did not hit my my take profit, which was way down here. It's 34, 75, 34. But we'll see if it plays out overnight or not. Of course, I'm not in the trade. I can't hold the trade overnight. But I'll be watching a little bit tonight to see where price opens up. And then, maybe put on a trade tonight. I'm not sure. But I'll be watching these levels again tomorrow. All right. Hope this helps. Talk to you guys later.